everybody, Lewis here. Today I'm actually in the Rshack house, what I call our Rshack. Getting a fire going here. There's nothing more that I enjoy besides chopping up wood and getting a fire going. I really enjoy cooking outdoors in the grills, but did a little something different, and I cooked indoors. I'm going to show you what I did here in a minute. I'm going to do a couple of indoor cooks for you. This first one, I have to tell you, turned out really good. If you got one of these, I recommend you try this. It's fast, it's easy, and they turn out spectacular. So stay tuned. Happy grilling, and let's see how the cook went.
Regulators. We regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Okay, so we have a half a cup of brown sugar. To that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a tablespoon of parsley flakes. Give or take on these, you just do your own mixture. A tablespoon of black coarse pepper. We're going to go a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a very small teaspoon of cayenne pepper because, you know, I don't like the heat. There. And then a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin. That's just something I enjoy. So we'll get that in here. And the last ingredient, of course, is a tablespoon of salt. We'll do this a little different. Tablespoon in there. Mix up. And then mix that in there. Alrighty, so we have all our dry rub ingredients. Give it a good stir. Get it all mixed up. And then we'll put this dry rub onto the rack of ribs. Should come out awesome. Now I also say, take a little taste. That's really good. Wow. Now we have our rack of ribs laying here. We're going to go ahead and add our dry rub to both sides. So I'm just going to take it and put it on here. Notice that I have parchment paper down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to coat these, and then I'm going to pick it up with the parchment paper and wrap them up and stick them back in the fridge for a few hours before we put them in the one pot or pressure cooker to see how they do. So we'll get these all rubbed down, get this sauce, this rub in here so that it can start absorbing into the meat and adding all that beautiful flavor. So we got one side done. Very carefully, try not to make a mess. Flip them over. There we go. A little bit of a mess. Oh well, I'll get it cleaned up before the wife gets home. And then we'll coat this up. Get a nice coating on these. I'm going to use up all this rub on it. We'll just get it all soaking in there. That rub is so good. Alrighty, so now we'll just wrap them up, stick them in the fridge for a few hours before we put them in the pressure cooker. in the Gourmet 12-quart pressure cooker. We will see how it comes out. So now we have the ribs here. We'll unwrap them. They've been sitting in the fridge for about 3 hours. So we're going to take them and we're going to put them in the crock pot or slow cooker, pressure cooker all in one. So we're going to just take them like this. Just drop them down in there. To that, let me wash my hands. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of water. And then we're going to add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Put that in there. Like so. Pour that down in there. Then we're going to add just a few dashes of liquid smoke. Alrighty, give it that smoke flavor. Now we're going to put the lid on, close her up. I'm going to put it on meat, but we're going to add 25 minutes and let it go. We'll come back in 25 minutes and take them out. Okay, it's been 25 minutes. We will check these out and see what they look like. I can figure out how to do it. This is supposed to release that pressure slowly. Maybe I'm supposed to turn this thing off first. Put it there. Guess I should have done this first, huh? So we're releasing the pressure so we can take the top off here. And we'll get in there and check out what those ribs look like once it releases all the pressure. So to go along with the ribs tonight, I picked up some Bush's Grillin' Beans, honey chipotle. We'll give those a try to go along with them, see what they taste like. Looks like it's almost done releasing. See if this thing wants to come undone. Not quite yet, I don't think. Exciting video, huh? Woohoo! Okay, so it can fill down. Now we can undo the top. Take it off of there. I saw some guy do it, but that doesn't work for me. Alright, so let's take a look down in here. So you can see we've got some pullback. Got the juice there. They don't look like normal ribs. So we will pull them out and see what they look like. Okay, so now I'm just going to put some baby rays on it and spread it around and put it in the oven on the boiler setting and let it go for a couple minutes. Probably do this twice and give it a nice barbecue bark on it. So then we'll just kind of spread it around. Alrighty. So we'll put it in the oven and see what happens. Okay, these have been in the oven for about 15 minutes. I sauced them twice. You can see they got some really nice color. So let's set up and we'll take a picture of how the meat looks on the inside. So we cut one out of the middle here. You can see what it looks like. Really no smoke ring. We didn't, smoke it. We just basically just boiled them, I guess is the easiest way to say it. So now let's just do a sample taste. All right, make sure you got a thirst quencher. Good old Rainier. Cheers, everybody. Alrighty, let's give one of these ribs a taste. Well, that's pretty good. Good bite through on them. Real good bite through. Look at that. Yeah, really not picking up any smoke flavor from that liquid smoke. Sauce is good. Bite is good. Completely cooked through. No issues whatsoever. So you're talking 25 minutes in the pressure cooker, 15 minutes in the oven, 45 minutes, you're eating ribs. Cheers, everybody.